Oh. Hear my commands, O cosmic guardians of truth, liberation. I demand the immediate release of those who have been blinded, invaded, and snared by foreign influence. Let their suffering come to an end and guide them back to their holy place. Awaken their warrior energy that may rise up with strength and courage to reclaim their rightful place in the tapestry of existence. Lead them to the correct timeline where abundance, peace, and love flow freely. Expose those who have made pacts with parasitic invaders, and bless those who stand in the truth, who honor the divine within themselves and others. Liberas et veritas. Liberas et veritas. Liberas et veritas.